लैंग्वेज हैज़ नो बैरियर व्हेन इट कम्स टू एंटरटेनमेंट, जैसा मनीष शाह साहब से भी बात हो रही थी हमारी. सो यस, ओवर टू यू सर.
मेरा
आ
सवाल
जाइए.
योर सेंटर
राहुल, आई कम टू यू. एक
Hello.
सेकंड. आई कम टू यू.
Allu
Please.
Arjun, Allu Arjun, sir, Allu Arjun Garu, Mas Garu, Sarai Naidu, Son of Satyamurthy, July, Res Guram, and now Pushpa. So too good. Welcome everybody to
Thank you.
Mumbai. Sir, I would like to start with you first of all. This is coming definitely the biggest Telugu film of the year and your biggest film till now probably. It is coming one day after Spider-Man No Way Home, which is also at insane levels of booking. So what is your take on the competition? What is your take on the box office clash? What do you feel about that? We would like your thoughts.
You know, the box office part, I'll ask Manish ji to answer that and then I'll answer it.
Yeah, both of you.
Okay. Content has no language. And we have proved time and again that South movies have worked. This is the biggest South movie which is coming along. And I'm damn confident it will do wonders at box office. I now pass on the mic to Allu sir.
Allu Arjun sir, your take.
Sir, I think we should be very graceful. You know, the Hindi audience have been very graceful to South cinema. That's why South cinema could penetrate. As a South, I'm saying that, you know, we're very gracefully, you know, inviting Hindi cinema to come into the North. Same way, I think we should be very graceful in inviting our English films over to our country. And that's when they will also be very gracefully opening up, you know, our languages to open in their country. So I think we should have a mutual respect for each other in each other's languages. And in films, I don't think language is a barrier. And we're in a situation right now, today in India, that India or the world over, that entire cinema, the culture of people coming to cinema has stopped. I'm not looking at one Pushpa or another one film. I'm looking at it as Indian cinema, and cinema should win. Not just Indian cinema, world cinema, overall, the culture of people coming to the theaters has gone down. I think Spider-Man should get people back into the theaters. I think Pushpa should get Indian people back into the theaters. It's about, you know, celebrating cinema back again. So I think collectively we should support each other, and I support them, and I wish them all the best for tomorrow.
So one more. Sorry, I forgot to introduce myself.
And also, the next week, there are other big films coming in Mumbai. You know, for 83, we have Mr. Ranveer Singh's and Kabir Khan sir's film that's releasing. I wish them all the best. I hope you get people back into the theaters. And now that I'm in Hindi media, I'd like to once again congratulate Suryavamshi for being a big success and getting people back into the theaters. I am more bothered about cinema right now than just Pushpa alone by itself. Thank you.
Very well said, sir. Sir, it's your word, like...
And how much money he does, I think you should ask Manish, sir.
that there's no doubt. Sir, you've always been a pan-India star. There is no doubt about that. By the way,
Really?
yes.
I've never done a Hindi film also.
But that's your aura. Without doing a Hindi film, you've already been a pan-India star. But now, in theatrically, this is the first time. In spite of your movies working so well on satellite, working so well online, theatrically, this is the first time your pan-India film coming. So henceforth, like you have Icon releasing, there is Icon, and there's probably a Koratala Seva movie also. Henceforth, is every Allu Arjun movie going to be a pan-India film? I mean, there is no doubt about it, there is no option?
Preferably, I'd like to make it everything pan-India, because not just about pan-India. I'm saying, why are you even restricting to that? You know, maybe somebody else wants to watch it. You know, people in other countries, maybe Sri Lanka, neighboring countries, Pakistan, other countries want to watch it. We don't know. You know, language is no barrier for cinema. So I think we should just go for, I would say more than pan-India, I would say we should go for a multi-language release and see how far we can go as Indian cinema.
Thank you, sir.
योर सेंटर रश्मिका अल्लू अर्जुन सर, आप दोनों से सवाल है मेरा. राहुल हियर फ्रॉम द फिल्मी चर्चा. योर सेंटर टाइटल बहुत ही प्रॉमिसिंग है, ट्रेलर भी काफ़ी प्रॉमिसिंग है. ऑल द बेस्ट आप लोगों को मूवीज़ के लिए. और टाइटल पुष्पा नाम सुन के एक ही चीज़ जहन में आती है, वो आइकॉनिक डायलॉग राजेश खन्ना सर की, पुष्पा आई हेट टीयर्स, तुम्हारी आंखों में आंसू नहीं देख सकते. तो क्या आप लोग, आप दोनों हिंदी मूवीज़ लवर किस तरह के रहे हैं? आप लोग हिंदी मूवी एज एन ऑडियंस आप देखते थे हिंदी मूवीज़, आप दोनों?
यार, as to watch so many Hindi films, what are you saying?
किस तरह की मूवीज़ आप देखना पसंद करें? राजेश खन्ना सर की मूवी देखें आप?
As in, we used to. I was an audience before entering into the industry. I'm going to the theater, watching the happening films, coming back, and also I was in the hostel. So for us, the movies not of our choice, but of our school choices were played. So we had no other options but to watch the films that they played. But yes, now that I'm in the industry, I think I'm watching a lot more films, lot more technically and a lot more personally. But yeah, could say balanced, managed watching enough films.
So from childhood, we always watch a lot of obviously because I'm multi-language, multicultural person from the south. I was born in Tamil Nadu, raised in Hyderabad, born and raised in Chennai, and then moved to Hyderabad. So I know Tamil, Telugu. We grew up watching Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada films. And as we entered into films, we also started watching Maratha films, Bengali films, Hindi cinema. Hindi cinema has definitely played a huge impact on us. Like time and again, just like how you always watch movies, even we grew up watching all these movies. So it's a part of our life. And of course, we watch Hindi, all movies. Of course, Hindi cinema. And I personally adore Hindi cinema a lot.
एलू जी अभी अभी आपने कहा कि आप जो बॉलीवुड है उसको साउथ में वेलकम करते हैं, तो ऐसा कौन सा एक्टर है और ऐसी कौन सी मूवी है बॉलीवुड की जिसका रीमेक बने और आप उसमें काम करना चाहते हो?
माफ करना, मैं हिंदी में बात करूंगा।
I-
मेरा हिंदी अच्छा नहीं है,
नहीं नहीं आप
फिर भी मैं
इंग्लिश में
कोशिश करूंगा।
इंग्लिश में
पता है कि मेरा हिंदी में एक्सेंट है, साउथ एक्सेंट है, फिर भी मैं कोशिश करके आपको हिंदी में ही बात करूंगा। मैडम जी, सब एक्टर्स आ सकते हैं, इतने टैलेंटेड एक्टर्स हैं हिंदी सिनेमा में, द होल ऑफ नेशनल सिनेमा में, सब लोग आ सकते हैं उस पिक्चर्स लेके, हाँ, साउथ में आके प्रमोट करके, डब करके, सब एक्टर्स दे ऑल डू फेनोमिनल। ईच जॉनर में बहुत अच्छे पिक्चर्स करते हैं सब लोग, हम सबको स्वागत करते हैं।
नहीं, आप पर्सनली अगर आपको करना हो तो आप कौन से एक्टर की और कौन सी बॉलीवुड की फिल्म का रीमेक करना चाहेंगे?
रीमेक?
यू पर्सनली।
मैं अब तक रीमेक नहीं किया मैडम, मुझे डर लगता है कि मुझे डर लगता है थोड़ा रीमेक करने में, अब तक नहीं किया। मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि मैं नहीं करूँगा, अब तक नहीं किया, और मुझे थोड़ा डर भी है करने के लिए, इसलिए मैं थोड़ा रीमेक्स के से थोड़ा दूर रहता हूँ।
अल्लू अर्जुन जी, मेरा नाम आरती सक्सेना है।
नमस्ते जी।
मैं भी हिंदी में ही पूछूंगी कि मतलब मैंने ऐसे पूछा कि अल्लू अर्जुन एक्टर साउथ के एक्टर है, तो मुझे किसी ने कहा कि वो साउथ के सलमान खान है। तो मुझे ये जानना था कि सलमान खान आपको कितने पसंद है, और बॉलीवुड का कौन सा एक्टर है जो आपको इंस्पायर करता है सबसे ज़्यादा?
मैडम, मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा अमिताभ जी इंस्पायर करता है, क्योंकि लॉन्ग स्पैन ऑफ करियर है ना, from so many years. I'll say this in English to be a little more comfortable.
It's okay, yeah.
I absolutely adore the megastar of the country, Amitabh ji. Because we've grown up, watching his films and everything. He's got a lot of impact on us in the growing years. So in one word, if I have to say, I'll say I'm a huge ardent fan of Amitabh ji. And even till date, at the age, such a big age also, I keep thinking, even if I get really old, I should still be acting like how gracefully Amitabh ji is doing it. In a way, that's what I keep thinking. If you're 60, 70, 80, you should still you should work as beautifully as Amitabh ji does.
और आपने बोला कि ये फिल्म करने में आपको 4 फिल्मों के जितना मतलब मेहनत करनी पड़ी, तो सबसे टफ क्या था पुष्पा में?
She'll tell which part was tough for her, and then I'll tell.
I think for us, going to the location, वो location या वो climate changes और forest में shoot करना पड़ा. So I think all of that, got a lot from all the crew members and the cast. I think also the producers who made all this effort, we actually had to lay a road to go to the location. It was that hard, so it was crazy. And I think, like Sir said, we've done the hard work of 4 films in one. And I think we're going to see the results tomorrow, so I'm waiting.
Madam, in a way, we are very fortunate because the top crew is always given a little extra privileges. I'd like to, once again thank the entire crew in every department, the art department, the lighting department, the production department, the drivers' unions, and they have actually given most efforts for this film. If I forgot, forgive me if I've forgotten any other department, but every department has given their best because on shoot there are around 500 to 600 people working for the film. So once again, I like to thank all the departments for putting their heart and soul and working more hard than us for this film. Thank you.
Rashmika, this side. Hi. Hello. You look so pretty and beautiful. Yet you portrayed the character. It is a deglammed character.
Yes.
So did you have any inhibitions?
Inhibitions, no. I think I had no inhibitions when it came to, I knew I was playing a different character. I knew that I had to pour my heart, soul, sweat, everything into this character because this is, like I keep saying, this is a whole different world that we're entering. And when, actors like Sir's doing such hard work and, I'm getting this opportunity to, work with Sir, I can't have inhibitions and be like, oh my God, do I look pretty? Do I look that? Do I look this? I have to worry about the performance. I'm like, am I doing a good job? Am I doing that? Is it coming through? Is this character staying strong? What is happening? So for me, it was all about performance in this film. And I think once the audience see it on the 17th, I think it'll come through. And please give us your reviews.
Allu Arjun?
And ma'am, to second that, I'd like to speak about how Rashmika performed and what is it. I truly appreciate Rashmika ji for performing like this and taking up such a challenging role. It is a little rustic role and it's not a very conventional, glamorous role. It is quite challenging and like you said, I was fearing would she feel that she's not looking good because that is a very huge factor that plays on the mind and if your mind is not clear, your performance will not be clear. But then after she landed on the set and she started working, I think she had the mindset that this film is this and we have to justify this film. And she did a wonderful performance. And I couldn't have performed if not for her help because every artist should compliment you for your performance. She performed so well that it was very, very comforting and it was very complimenting to work with such a wonderful artist. Tomorrow, I'm sure you all will appreciate her performance. She can't speak for herself, but I can definitely speak for her because I've seen her perform in front of my eyes. Thank
And
you.
the song that we just witnessed, you performed exactly like a stone man guy, yet you looked so sexy.
Thank you.
So,
Really, do I?
Yeah, of course.
Little?
And I was just going to ask you, after that I'll ask you, I mean, you look so handsome and
looks
good
is not
hunk.
my
Why
thing.
don't you do a romantic role also?
My previous film was a romantic role.
Okay, coming back to the song, I was asked, the gestures that you did, reminded me of so much of Rajni sir, that small nuances. So will there be a comparison with the Thalaiva?
Ma'am, more than comparison, I'll say it's more of an influence because I was brought up from Chennai. So obviously I have a lot of subconscious absorption from big superstars like Rajni sir, like Kamal sir. That's why if you see I'm very like if you notice that, then I came to Hyderabad. Mr. Chiranjeevi Garu is my own uncle. When I see him, he dances really well, and there are his nuances. So I think, subconsciously when you work, as a child, when you grow up seeing these people, you absorb them and they're there subconsciously in your mind. Not that I very consciously want to do it. If it came across like that also, I don't have an issue. And I think it's maybe you can say maybe it's a tribute for them, in a way. My respects for them in a way.
In one of your earlier interviews, you had mentioned that, Hindi film in your filmography is very important.
Sorry, can you be a little loud?
You had mentioned earlier that a Hindi film in your filmography is very important for you. Has there been offers that you have considered, or probably now, like you said, the lines are blurring? Do you want to do a pure Bollywood film?
Absolutely. I love Hindi cinema. Somehow I use the word, but I don't like to use that word Bollywood as much as possible because, it sounds like second to Hollywood. And hum kisi se kam nahi. किसी से कम नहीं. So I like to say it Hindi cinema. So even by habit, sometimes even I say Bollywood, but I keep going. I was like, no, say Hindi cinema. हम किसी से कम नहीं. Coming back to your question, I love Hindi cinema. I love Hindi music. I appreciate them so much. Like I definitely it'd be a great moment in my life to do a straight Hindi film, and it'll be a landmark point of my career, and I want to make the best choice possible. And to just answer what you said, there have been people who ask for films here and there, but nothing very nothing very exciting. So I think slowly, we've been having soft talks, like if we can do something, how is it to mount up something big? Because even the people who are coming, they are also saying that when we have to come to you, we have to come with something solid. So I think once everything falls into place, I think I will try to plan with maybe little help of Allu Arjun Garu if he helps. Just a joking. I think we'll try to come up with something big and make it memorable. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for that wonderful interaction. And now, Jate Jate, Allu sir, is there something that you'd like to...
Yes, and before I leave, I'd like to thank everybody who's been a part of this film. I'd like to thank my director, Sukumar Garu, who's introduced me. 2 minutes. I'm not getting up. I'd like to thank my director, Sukumar Garu, for making this wonderful movie with me, Pushpa. I mean, my career has taken off with the movie called Arya. And we made Arya 2, which got me a lot of recognition from all over. And now it's our third film, and I hope we hit a big hat trick with this Pushpa, which is coming on December 17th. And in my career, in my life, music plays a very huge part. And that whole music, I think I give that biggest credit to my director, music director, Shri Devishri Prasad, who's been the biggest music director in South India. Today he's playing Pushpa. He's given amazing music to Pushpa. Thank you so much, my dear Devi darling. All my career life, you've been playing amazing music. You've given me chartbusters today. When Manish sir says, you've given, hundreds of people have received your music. There's so many millions of views on YouTube and stuff like that. A lot of big credit goes to you. Thank you so much. And take me more into the people with your music. Take me more into people's hearts with your music.
Actually, thank you for all the love and trust. Always love
Thank you. No, I'm not done yet. No, I'm not done. No, I'll give. Ista. 1 minute. I'm not done yet. Yeah, I'm not done yet. 1 second, darling. I'm sorry. 1 second. And I'd like to thank my producers, Maitri Pictures and Muttam City Media for producing this movie with me. And I'd like to thank Manish Ji from Gold Mines Films for not just about releasing Pushpa, but for, I think he's one of the pioneers in getting dubbing South movies into the North and making all South. I'd like to behalf on not just Pushpa or me, on behalf of all the South Indians for making us so popular all over the country. Thank you very much, Manish Ji. Thank you for taking us into the heartland of North India. Thank you so much.
We have to thank you for giving such good movies to us.
Oh,
And to people
thank you.
from
And
the
also
Hindi heartland.
thank you. And also I'd like to thank Anil Ji for distributing this movie. And if I forget anybody else, please forgive me. And above all, thank you so much, my dear Rashmika. It was a pleasure working with you. Everybody calls her national crush. I've heard of people who are calling her national crush. So I simply cutely tease her on stage. Has like, oh, please come, Krashmika. National crush. Plus Rashmika. Thank you so much. And I hope you all like, and I'm hoping that we touch your hearts with Pushpa. We're coming tomorrow, December 17th. Pushparaj. What together. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being so amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Pushpa.